Alright everyone, today we are back at the Line 2 crossing near Tottenham. Mile 33.55 on the Mactier subdivision. Haven't been here since last fall. So yeah, if you take a look at the northbound signal, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is red right now. Which means we have a southbound line through here. So we got southbound coming pretty soon, which is really awesome. So yeah. And then not only that, we got 113 coming as well. It just passed Woodbridge today as well. And this is the main reason why I'm here today. I'm here to see 113 since it has something special reading. So yeah. But while we are waiting for 113 to show up, we got southbound coming, like I said, because of the red signal. So yeah. So, let's hope for the best that we can get some CP action right now. Like, we got southbound right now, and hopefully there'll be another one coming behind that soon. I'm not sure what's running today. I got worried about the 118s, because that hasn't passed, so I'm not sure if that's for 118 or for a different southbound. But I guess we'll have to wait and see. So, yeah. And before we begin, please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up. Alright, possibly now until that southbound comes, so I'll see you in a bit. So the following catches will take it on Tuesday, December 10th. Alright, let's get into them. So the first train I caught is CPKC 118. Coming from Edmonton, Alberta, and it's heading to Montreal. It was led by CP 8863, which is a G4 with a really also setting K5HL horn. And for mid-DPU is KCS 4619, an AC 4400 CW, and this was formerly a Grey Ghost unit. So 118 has 86 rail cars before the DPU, and 37 freight cars after the DPU, making a total of 123 cars. And it was going to have a meet with 113 at Bolton, which will be the next train. So almost 2 hours later, along came CPKC 113, coming from Montreal and it's heading to Coquitlam, BC. It was led by CP 7433, a brand new Tier 4 G4 also selling K58 Downhorn. But not only that, it's in the new CPKC paint scheme. CP actually ordered more of these. So in the future, you might see a lot of locomotives in the CPKC paint scheme. And like I mentioned, I'm not really a big fan of these. They are kind of like CN LOL. But trailing second behind that though is CP8505, an AC4400 CW. And for mid DPU is CP9830, another AC4400 CW. Only if the CWs were leading LOL. But that being said though, 113 has 151 rail cars. And he was really flying through here. But before I show you that, here is 113 getting clearance. And here's 113 getting clearance to Mondonde.
One number 453, 453 to 7433, 7433 north. 3, proceed from signal 518, 518 Baxter to south, siding, switch, Medonte. 453, okay to repeat over.
After repeating,
okay, thank you. You'll make it to Bal, probably for the southbound. They fit everywhere, just short cleared for a foreman to council up there. Thank you. Alrighty, see you.
looks like they're going to be meeting at southbound of Mondonde. But of course I couldn't see it because it was too late.
Book 3087, 7433 north, over. Work 3087, 7433 north, over. Work 3087, 7433 north, over. Work 3087, 7433 north, over.
Like Michael usually says, there goes 113 and up goes this video on YouTube. Well everyone, I really hope you enjoyed these 2 catches on the Mactier Sub. One thing for sure, this might be the last trip to CP for a while because of the snow. But all in all, I had a wonderful year representing CP, that's for sure. I definitely caught a lot more rare stuff on CP compared to last year. But my goal for next year is to get a SD40 Duo or a Leader. CP is actually still using the SD40s on work trains. So hopefully next year I can get a SD40 on the work train. But I guess we'll have to wait and see. But that being said though, if you enjoyed these 2 catches on the Mactier Sub, then you know what to do. Please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. That will really help me a lot. And until my next RFM video, I will see you guys later. Peace out folks, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and like and subscribe for more. Bye now.